Hi all, this is Akhil Ranji. I'm working in GMM SPL as an application engineer of Cimatron Sheet Metal. On this video, we can see about modify curves. We have around 5 different types of curves which will help you to modify your curves. We can go for one by one. First one is cookies. So I will open a model for that. So here, consider this is your punch. Okay, this is a simple rectangle, but consider this as your punch. You want to create a match cut for this particular punch in strip layout, for example. So we can go for the cookies. Normally what we need to do, we need to go to the any 2D software and we need to offset this entire area. Then we need to create a radius and it will take some times. Okay, here what we can do, we can directly go for the cookie command. So directly select that particular object. Here it's showing that by edge. Select that edge. So it will give you a match cut profile now. So here you can adjust that values. Here if you want offset as 5 mm, length maybe I'll choose 6 right now. Okay, you can see the changes. Then side overlap, we can increase that one as well. Okay, then radius also we can adjust over here. Keep the original, we can remove that original. Okay, then here if you want to give radius for the other profile, you can add this radius by individually. Also we can apply different types of uh, radius, otherwise you can give the global radius. Okay, so I will select, okay, I'll set okay. So with the help of this cookie option, we can simply and easily we can create this match cut profile in strip layout. All right, so the next one will be by selecting the point. So sometime we used to give some drill cut for the cutter entry, so that also is possible with this cookies command. Okay, here I will select that object. I'm sorry, I'll select this one, I'll select this object. Then you can change this by edge to by point. Okay, you can select this point, you can select this complete point. Okay, here you can give that radius. I'm sorry, that okay. The diameter must be larger than 2 into center. Okay. Move your center point by 2. You can adjust that radius. Move the original profile. Here also we can give any radius. If you want record, we can give that radius as well. I'll global radius 2 and here I will change it to 3 and 3, maybe here 4. Okay, this is how you can customize your sketches with the help of this cookies command. So if you have a huge strip layout, huge punches, so with the help of this we can complete the work very easily and fastly. So the next one will be merge and unmerge. So merge and unmerge is okay. Now you have a merge command. Okay, curves. So we want to merge the center curves together. So we can just select that under uh, curves, and here you can see single curve and merge. The merge gap will 0.3. You can give that. Remove the original. Okay, now okay, it's separated only, but yeah, no single. So now you want to separate these curves. We had to separated that. We need to want the campaign and we need to select the multiple wires. So it will create a multiple curves at the time. Okay, you can see all curves are okay. This one, if you want to triple that, go for the merge command, go for and multiple y to convert into multiple y. Yeah, yeah. So if you want to unmerge that one, we can combine and we can go for the merge and you can multiply by that way. That's how you can change that. So now we can see uh, fair. Now we can see this where comment. Okay, for that we need to create a spine. Okay, I will create a few points. Okay, with respect to that I will create a spine through the point. And we will apply the fair comment. Changes maybe to given to okay. I hope you can see that the curve is modified a little and it will create a fair shape. It's smoothen, actually smoothen the curve. For that purpose we can use this fair command. The next one is approx to arcane line. Okay, actually this is the most unique command in Symmetron. Actually basically this command is helping us to create a parametric geometry. Okay, for example you have developed a blank, so that will be a non-parametric blank, right? Whenever you are opening the blank it will be a non-parametric. You cannot go for the measuring or you can't do changes, you can't measure the value. It will always see that maximum and minimum curvature continuity. So you want to change the non-parametric curve into parametric curve. We can apply this option. Okay, with the help of this single option it will save a lot of time of a designer, because if you want to change that parametric non-parametric plan to parametric one, you need a help of any 2D software, and you had to traceable. You had to trace the entire curve and you need to create a composite uh, parametric curve. So what here we can do with the help of this approx to arcane line, we can simply select a particular line. Okay, then we can go for the tolerance, minimum tolerance and minimum radius. 0.25 the minimum radius. Okay, I will remove that original geometry. So okay, then I will go for okay. So this blank has converted into parametric blank. Okay, well now I am selecting, it's showing that minimum curvature continuity and maximum curvature continuity. So it's a non-parametric plan. So after applying this command, if we are measuring, it will show the point and we can select any. Okay, showing that radius is 15 and diameter. So this is a parametric blank. Parametric curve. So same work we can do it in the blank development also. So normally we'll spend lot of time on for the matching. Okay, tracing works, so that we can eliminate with the help of this curve. Within 2 minutes we can convert any parametric non-parametric curve into parametric blank. It's a unique feature of our software, and it's helped the designer to reduce lot of times. Then the last one is deform curve. Okay, now we have a curve here, so we need to do some changes on this curve. Okay, so that what I will do, I will split that curve first. We can split with the help of any single point as well. So the curve is splitted now right now. So now we can apply the deform curve. I select this particular curve. Here we can change that into set maybe 2 mm or -2. Okay, this one also I will change into -2. So this kind of modification we can do with the help of deform curve. Okay, for example, we want to create some surface like this, so you can simply change that curve. These are the 5 different types of modify curves.